In this video, I'm going to show you how to check how much FAFSA gave you. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is go to the official FAFSA website. So this is StudentAid.gov. So we want to come over here. And now we need to sign into your FSA ID. So where it says login, click on the login button. Then we need to put in our username and password on this page. So log in your email, phone or username, and then on the next page your password. Then from there we need to review your student aid report, so SAR. So after submitting your FAFSA, you receive a student aid report. This report summarizes the information you provided and shows your expected family contribution, EFC, or your student aid index. While SAR doesn't tell you exactly how much you'll get, it's what schools use to calculate your aid. So you can check your school's financial aid award letter. So each school you listed on your FAFSA will put together a financial aid package for you. This package may include grants, free money you don't pay back, federal student loans, work study opportunities, and also schools typically send this award letter by email, mail, or post it to your student portal. So in short, FAFSA itself doesn't give you the money directly, it determines your eligibility. Your school tells you the exact amount you receive based on your FAFSA info.